Using Safe Mode in Windows 11. Safe Mode is a state of Windows that can help troubleshoot problems on your HP computer. Safe Mode can be accessed from Windows 11 as well as outside of Windows 11. Enter Safe Mode from Windows 11. To enter Safe Mode in Windows 11, click the search icon and search for and open Recovery Options. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now to restart the computer. When the computer reboots into the Recovery menu, select Troubleshoot. Select Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. Click Restart to restart into the Startup Settings menu. Press Enter when the system requests a BitLocker recovery key to access Startup Settings. On a different computer, use the Microsoft email attached to the system to locate the BitLocker key for the system. Then, enter the BitLocker recovery key and press Enter. The Startup Settings screen displays a list of startup options. Pressing 4 or F4 restarts Windows 11 in the standard safe mode, with a minimal set of drivers and services, but no internet connection. Pressing 5 or F5 restarts Windows in safe mode with access to your local network and the internet. Press F5. Sign in to Windows 11. To exit safe mode, restart the computer. Enter safe mode to troubleshoot problems on your HP computer when Windows does not boot. To enter the safe mode when Windows 11 does not boot, turn off your computer and then turn it back on. Immediately press the Escape key repeatedly until the startup menu displays. Press F11 to begin a system recovery. When the computer reboots into the recovery menu, select Troubleshoot and then follow the same steps as shown in the previous method. Click the Playlist tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.